Hello everyone, this is Amit Lathigra. In this video, I'm demonstrating you few more components of Bootstrap framework. In this video, I'm going to use four components basically. First one is progress bar, second one is spinner, third one is tooltip, and fourth one is toast. So let's check the getbootstrap.com website. Let's move to the components. These are the list of components. So this is what I was talking about. Very first, I'm going to take a progress bar. Basically, if you want to show a progress in terms of any process, then you can use this particular component. It is having a wide range of functionality, like this is basic progress bar. Then we can even customize it by specifying the label. We can specify height, we can set the color. By default it is primary, but we can use other colors too. Multiple colors we can keep, we can put it a strip, we can make animated one. So let's use this animated one. So let me copy and let's place it in our page. So this is what I placed a progress bar. Let's give some margin here. So let's give my4 class for margin and let's check an output. So this is what I kept progress. What else I want to do? I want to place one button. So let's check a button. What my objective is, I'm planning to put one primary button. On click of this button, what I want to do, I want to start this progress from 0 and I want to take it up to 100. So this is what my objective. So let's have button. So let me have one more div. Let's give appropriate margin. And within this, let me place my button and here let's change the text as start. And here let's make progress 0. So by default, I'm showing 0% progress. This is what my output. It looks like this. As of now, no progress. Now what I want to do, I want to use a tooltip. So basically, tooltip provides us a feature whenever we place a cursor, then over the control, then it gives some additional information. Even we can have tooltip on a specific direction, for example, top, right, bottom, left, or HTML use to. Even we can use SVG. So let's say a right tooltip. So this is what my objective to place across the button. So let's use tooltip right. So what I need to use data BS toggle and data BS placement attribute and title. So let me copy these three and let's place it in our button. So this is my button. Here let me place it and let me show tooltip text is click this button to start the process. This is what my tooltip. Let's save. Now let's see how it works. So let me refresh and let me place a cursor and this is what my tooltip, but this is not the exact one which I'm getting here. The reason for that is to use a tooltip, what we need to do is we need to enable this tooltip and this is a code. So let me copy and let's place it under this script. So let me have script. Let's place it. Let's save. And let's refresh our page and let's check an output. Now this is what exactly the same which I was looking for. So click this button to start the progress. I want to click this button, then I want to make some progress. So that can be achieved by changing basically the width of this progress bar. Currently it is a 0, which I have applied through style, and we need to change this width accordingly. So we require some JavaScript code, basic loop, condition. So one option is we can use the loop, or second one, what we can do, we can use the timer, and by putting the regular interval, we can change the width. So both are the possible ways. So let me write a function for it. So let me have one script again. So here what my objective is I want to have one function that is start. So in this function, what I want to do, I want to call another function that is make progress. And this progress, what I want to do, I want to call automatically at regular intervals. So I can use set timeout function of JavaScript. I want to call this and interval I want to give as 100. So in loop, it is going to call this function automatically. And progress, I want to press it in a variable timer so that at a particular end we can stop this timer also. So I used one variable timer. Let me declare it here. Timer, let's assign 0 at initial point. And this is what my function. Now within this function, what I want to do, within this function, I want to change the width. So how it can be possible? I can use the query selector method of document to access this class. What I want to do, I want to work with this class that is progress bar. And I'm going to access this class, and using this class, I will change one of its style. This is what my objective. So let me use it. So let me use this query selector method. So let's access that class here first. So my progress bar. So I'm using P bar. That is my progress bar. So let's use the progress bar document dot query selector. And here I am interested to access a class. Which class? Progress bar class. So let's access it here. So now I can access that progress bar. Then what I want to do, I want to call this function first from start. I will show you shortly why I'm doing this. So make progress and this start. What I want to do, start I want to call on click of this button. So let me use on click, and this is the method which I want to invoke. So from start, I'm invoking make progress. And now here I'm going to change the width. So let's use progress bar width. Let's make it 0. And here what I want to do, I want to increase its value. So progress bar width, I'm interested to increase it by 1. And whatever this value that I want to assign to this progress bar component. So let me access its style. Let's access its width. And this width is nothing but value of my variable. And at end, I want to give percentage. And also I want to set some text. So let me use inner text. Inner text is the same one. So this is what I want to make up to 100. So what I need to do, I need if statement. So if my this width is less than 100, then what I want to do, I want to do this all activities, and next what I want to do, once I reach 200, then I need to stop it. So that is also required, but let's see what's going on now. So let me refresh my page. Let's click on start. So as I'm clicking on start, some progress is going on. At 100, I want to stop it. So currently, what I did, if it is less than 100, then I'm calling this function. Once it is 100, I want to do something else. Next, what I want to do, Once we reach to 100%, I want to show another Bootstrap component, that is toast. Toast usually we are using for a push notification. This is the live example for this button. On click, it is showing me this particular toast component based push notification. So this is a code for it. So let's copy this div and let's put it next to button. Its ID is live toast. Now what I want to do, once we reach to 100, I want to figure out that particular toast component. So this is what the code. We are getting toast element in one variable, so that I am putting outside function. And next what we require is we need to trigger out. So these two statements I need to copy. And if it is 100, I'm interested to use these two statements. Also, what I want to do, I want to clear the timer, whatever I started here. So I'm using clear time out as an argument, my timer. Let's save and let's check what is happening with our code. So start. Let me click on start. It's making some progress. Let's wait till it reaches 200. 100, it is showing this toast. Let's customize it. Let's make it as minimum as possible. So I'm not going to use this image. This label 11 minutes ago, I don't require. Here I want to give message. Message is success. The process is completed successfully. This is what my message. And to check this, let's increase the width to 10 right away. Let's click on start. 100, it is showing this toast message successfully. Let's make it 1 again. Next, what I want to do, I want to use one more feature here, that is spinners. So usually to indicate the loading state, we are using such kind of spinner. It is showing like this, or even we can make it colorful, or even we can make it growing spinner. So it's as per our requirement. So let's take with growing one and let's have this div. Let's place it in our code. What I want to do, let's say one div. Within this div, let's have 5 spinners. Next, what I want to do, let me give its ID, that is spinners. Initially, I want to make it invisible. So let me use style, display, none. I'm not going to display it initially. Once user is clicking this start button, I'm interested to load the spinners. So this is possible here. This is what method start. I need to access it here. So document.get element by ID. So let's place it here. Its ID is spinners. I need to access its style. I need to make it display. So display is equal to block. And once we reach 200, at that time, we don't want to display it again. So let's hide it by using display as none. So let me use none. Let's save. Now let's see what is going on with our application. Let me refresh. Currently spinners are not coming on screen. Tooltip is also working. Let me click on start. So spinner started, indicating some progress, process, loading. Once it reached 200, it's disappeared, as well as this toast is appearing on screen. So in this way, I've demonstrated 4 things in this video. One is this progress, then this tooltip, toast, and spinner. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video. For any questions, use the comment section. Have a good time ahead.